Yo, angmohcardealer over here, and this right here is Skoda Kodiaq with panoramic roof. If you are looking for a continental, affordable, family SUV that is 7-seater and in fantastic condition, this car might be perfect for you. Let's check it out. Have a look at this beauty. The color of this car is simply wow. I mean, in the log cut it says blue, but it's got this little bit of greenish to it, somewhat dark turquoise. I don't know how to describe it. All I can tell you is it looks fantastic and the paintwork condition is absolutely superb. Have a look at the side profile of this car. The design is very nice. This is powered by a 1.4-liter turbocharged engine. Comes with a nice set of sport rims. And very beautiful from behind as well. Now, let's check out the boot space. The tailgate is fully electric. Yes, it's a 7-seater and the rear seats can fold. So when you fold the seats, the boot space is absolutely massive. But when your third row of seats is up, the boot space is still very, very decent in comparison to other Conti SUVs that are more expensive and of similar size. Now, let's close this. Behind, very spacious for a rear passenger. Leather is in fantastic condition. We have rear passenger aircon. Yes, this car also comes equipped with ambient light. Very nice, very subtle. This beautiful, absolutely fantastic looking panoramic roof. Very nice. And another cool feature is this. We have table. Macham aeroplane. This is a perfect family car to go on road trips where kids can have a meal. And another thing I want to show you guys. This is very, very Skoda unique design. I mean, look at this. Do you see this? This thing will come out when you open door so that you don't accidentally go and dent or scratch your door or that of a car parked beside you. And when I close this thing will conveniently hide. How cool, eh? All right, and now, let's go in. All right, we're inside and this is what it looks like from driver's perspective. Very nice and spacious cabin. First things first, we have this 3-spoke steering wheel. It's multifunctional. This is your speedometer cluster. Nice and beautiful. We have very big infotainment screen. Of course, it comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as reverse camera that is super, very mega clear. Let's put it back to park. Over here, we have different drive mode selection. This is your gear selector, nice and traditional with a very beautiful leather boot. I really like this very much. Electric parking brake and auto hold function as well. Aircon controls like here. Very nice, simple and easy to use. This is comfortable for your elbow, and guys, look, the condition of the leather is really very good. The previous owner really took great care of this car. It is superbly well maintained. Look at the dashboard, look at all the trimming. Also notice this nice ambient light. I like this very much. And have another look. And of course, guys, the beautiful panoramic roof. Very, very nice. Like this very much. Alright, in terms of security, this car still got 2 years and 10 months left. Just nice for you to enjoy. You want to know more details? You'll know what to do. Call me and I'll give you a good deal.